Hello everybody, salutations. It's Jebediah Brompton here. I'm no longer sick, so you can stop worrying about me. Thank you for sending mini Benadryls to my house. They knocked me out for the majority of the week. Anyways, today I'm coming back at you with another comparison video. It's Lowe's versus Home Depot, two of the biggest hardware stores in the nation. So let's get to it. This is Home Depot. Home Depot is marked by the orange color. Their motto is "Let us do it for you." They have brands such as Husky, Ryobi, and Rigid, and Behr and Glidden paints. Their signature smell is the smell of sawdust. If you go in, they actually pipe the smell throughout the entire warehouse so that you are greeted with a homey, woody smell. I like Home Depot, but sometimes it can get a bit expensive. And sometimes they don't sell your tool that you're looking for. Me particularly, I like to get wood 2x4s to prop up my industrial grade boiling pot to boil toilet water and drink it because it's safer than tap water. So that's Home Depot. Next up, we have Lowe's. Lowe's is marked by a blue logo, and their motto is "Never stop improving." I don't know. I've never really gone to Lowe's, but I do know that they have very bad brands such as Cobalt and Task Force, and they sell Pella windows and Valspar paints and a little bit of Sherwin-Williams. But all these brands are not as good as the brands that Home Depot sells. And they're always expensive. So I tend to stay away from Lowe's and only go there if I have to. One thing I have bought from them though is a tube of wood glue. I'm not really sure why I needed wood glue, and I haven't really opened it yet, but there's that. So now that we've compared both of these, what's the verdict? Well, obviously, I think the better store is going to be Lowe's, simply because, well, I don't really know, but I like the color blue. So, what are we going to do then? I think when you're presented the choice to go with Lowe's or Home Depot, I think you should not do anything and just hire a construction team to fix all of your needs and wants. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Jeb out.